QuData.com.
Hello and welcome to a new QuData tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through connecting LiveChat to your chatbot. First, let's set up the chatbot itself. Create a button to integrate an operator, specify the operator action in it with the specified parameters, as well as the Prepare step to navigate to the next step. In the Prepare card, add your message and set the navigation to the card for dialog with the operator as you define actions. Go to Chatting. In the Chatting card, create actions. Operator with these parameters. Add the text to be displayed to a user between his messages to the operator. You may also add the Leave Chat button to end the dialog with the operator. For this button, create the operator block with the parameters from this video. That's it. The bot is set up. Now open Integrations, LiveChat, and click the button to receive an invitation to register with LiveChat. Open your email and click the Set Up Password button. Choose a password and skip the introductory steps. Congrats! You have created your LiveChat account. Open the bot's console. At step 2 of the instruction, click the link to open the LiveChat developer panel. Copy the organization ID found in your profile settings. Paste it in the field at step 3. In the LiveChat panel, go to the App section, and create a new application. Go to the App Authorization module, select the second item and click Continue. Copy the client ID and the client secret to the instruction console in step 5. In the Redirect URL whitelist section, add all our links on by one. Go to the App Scopes and API Access section and select all access scopes. Click the Save Changes button for this section. On the top of the App Authorization page, click the Save Changes button to become ready to deploy. In your app, navigate to the Building Blocks section, find the Chat Webhooks block and click the Get Started button. Copy the webhook URL and enter it in the appropriate field in the Chat Webhooks configuration. Provide us with a secret key. Click the Generate button and copy the secret key into the input field. In the Webhook Triggers section, select the incoming _event. For this event, select the options, Author Type, Agent. Click the Save Changes button. Let's start our chatbot and check the LiveChat integration. As you can see, the operator receives a notification about a new dialog. Done. Your chatbot is integrated with LiveChat. Watch our videos to connect your bot to other communication channels.